This is a sound test of the speakers and the keyboard as well of the Lenovo Z16 versus the Surface Book 2. The G key of both laptops is 25 inches for the microphone. The speakers are not like the Z16 has the speakers firing up on the sides of the keyboard, and the Surface Book, they're on either side of the screen. So roughly the same distance speakers to the microphone for both. And I used a decibel meter because the volume is not the same for both of these machines. So the Z16 is at like 50% or something, and the Surface Book is at like 70% volume. So I wanted consistent decibels, so you're not just hearing, oh, that one sounds louder, so it sounds better. So at the microphone, they're both registering about 65 decibels, and this is the decibel meter that I used. Are we going to focus on this? Alright, well, it's a S-Per Scientific 850014 is the... There we go. This is what it looks like. We had a little mouse problem. Mice like rubber. And I left this out, so that's why the buttons are like this. Alright. So I'm using royalty-free music. It's piano. I thought piano, it has some body to it, so it gives you a little bit of bass, a little bit of highs. It's kind of slim pickings with the royalty-free. And I'll go back and forth. So we'll start with the... Why don't we start with the Surface Book? And now the Lenovo. Back to the Surface Book. Lenovo. Surface Book. Lenovo. Surface Book. Lenovo. Surface Book. And Lenovo. Okay, so that is the speaker comparison. So now I'm gonna do the keyboard. So I find that the Surface Book keyboard, it's not as crisp. It's a little bit mushier. I mean, it's okay for a laptop keyboard, but I really enjoy the sharp, sort of crisp pressure point on the Lenovo. And now the Surface Book. Back to the Lenovo. If we go back and forth like the B key on the Lenovo and the Surface Book. Enter key. Enter key. Space bar. Space bar. So personally, I like the keyboard of the Lenovo a little bit better. The keys are a little bit bigger, like my fingers kind of spread out a little bit more on the Lenovo. Yeah, so I enjoy it. I'm enjoying the machine. It's been about a week. I'm enjoying it a lot. I like it. I'm pleasantly surprised. So, thank you.